An AI-generated post for your viewing pleasure. Designing with AI, unleashing the power of text-to-image generative models. Are you tired of spending endless hours refining product designs, only to come up with something lackluster? What if I told you that leveraging advanced text-to-image generative models could transform your design process? New research reveals the secrets to using these AI tools effectively in product design, balancing creativity and feasibility in ways you never thought possible. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to see what this fascinating paper is all about and why it's relevant to you. Today, we're exploring a cutting-edge study that delves into the world of design space exploration. This research comes from a collaboration between experts at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Utrecht University, and the University of California, San Diego. They focus on the unique ways that text-to-image generative models can streamline and enhance the product design process. Rather than the traditional, drawn-out methods that consume valuable time, these models allow for rapid concept generation right from text prompts. What makes this paper exciting is its practical approach. It not only identifies the gaps in existing AI tools for product design, but also provides effective strategies for overcoming these limitations. With rapidly advancing technology, this study serves as an essential guide for designers looking to capitalize on AI-driven innovation. If you're curious about how AI can change your creative workflow, stick around because we're about to unpack some truly valuable findings. So, what exactly are we discussing today? At the heart of this research is a tool called text-to-image generative models, which are AI systems that can create images based on written descriptions. This process is often referred to as prompt engineering. You'll hear a lot about terms such as design space exploration, which encompasses both the expansive phase where multiple ideas are generated and the focus phase where designs are refined. The paper examines how designers can use these AI tools to create products that meet three essential criteria: feasibility, novelty, and aesthetics. Feasibility refers to the practicality of manufacturing a design. Novelty addresses the uniqueness of the concept, and aesthetics deals with how visually appealing the product is. Throughout our video, we'll be discussing how specific prompting strategies can lead to more successful design outcomes by tapping into these three factors. Understanding these terms will help illuminate the fabric of modern product design in a world that increasingly relies on AI. Now that we've set the scene and introduced the key themes, let's dig deeper into the study's key contributions and findings. This research focuses on the capabilities of text-to-image generative models, utilizing stable diffusion on the Leonardo AI platform. Key findings suggest that designers must strategically use multi-criteria prompts during the initial design exploration. This encourages the creation of designs that are both feasible and novel. Conversely, when refining designs in local editing, the use of monocriteria prompts that focus on aesthetics is recommended. Participants in the study significantly favored local editing over global editing, spending approximately 61.5% of their time finalizing details rather than exploring new concepts. This behavior raises intriguing questions about user fixation, essentially how designers may become so attached to one idea that they fail to explore fresh avenues. Interestingly, longer prompts correlated with more successful designs, especially when targeting feasibility during global editing. By navigating through a blend of different prompt types and structures, designers might find themselves optimizing their design processes to yield more effective outputs. However, some important considerations arise from the participant selection in this study. With only 15 participants, the research does not adequately consider the diversity in experience and background among users of generative AI tools. As noted, the participants ranged in experience from first-time users to those somewhat inexperienced, but the results did not segment findings based on these differences. This lack of segmentation could lead to missed opportunities for identifying best practices tailored to different user profiles. Now that we've covered some of the technical details, let's transition into the broader discussion about how these findings fit into existing research and their potential impact. The findings align with existing literature on design space exploration reinforcing the idea that encouraging a broader exploration of ideas rather than settling on initial inspirations can tremendously enrich the creative process. The identification of design fixation serves as a cautionary note, suggesting that even with AI tools, designers can become too comfortable with their original ideas, which could stifle innovation. What's particularly exciting is how this study brings behavioral psychology into the mix. By suggesting cognitive strategies to mitigate fixation, this research can influence future design methodologies and training programs, providing structured guidance for designers looking to push the boundaries of what's possible in their designs. It's crucial to recognize that the exploration strategies utilized by participants varied significantly, yet the study overlooked the deeper analysis of how participant backgrounds and familiarity with AI tools altered interactions and outcomes in design tasks. Understanding the distinctions between first-time users and those with prior experience could lead to actionable recommendations that help all designers maximize their use of generative AI in their workflows. This highlights the need for future studies to explore these dimensions further, ultimately contributing to a richer and more effective design process. As designers employ the strategies suggested by the research, they might discover opportunities to leverage user diversity and collaboration, especially when drawing from varied disciplines. This could create a richer tapestry of ideas, leading to novel and appealing designs that not only look good but also meet practical requirements. The facilitation of more substantial cross-disciplinary cooperation could further advance the integration of generative AI in product design. In summary, this research presents a roadmap for effectively leveraging text-to-image generative models in product design. By emphasizing the importance of strategic prompt creation and a balanced approach between global exploration and local refinement, designers can greatly enhance their design quality. As generative AI continues to evolve, following these principles will be essential for staying at the forefront of design innovation. However, ongoing research is needed to better understand how user experiences and prompts evolve over time, particularly for designers who grow more accustomed to these tools. The interplay of feasibility, novelty, and aesthetics is critical, and using targeted prompting strategies can significantly elevate your design outcomes. Continuous learning and adaptation are vital in fully utilizing AI tools effectively in product design. If you found this exploration of generative AI in product design helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on the intersection of technology and design. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How have you incorporated AI into your design processes? Until next time, keep creating and pushing those creative boundaries.